Hi everyone! I am so excited about this new ribbon bow tutorial. We are going to make a cute cherry blossom style bow along with a matching gift wrapped box. I also have a brand new online course dedicated to everything you need to know for creating perfect bows. Check out the link in the description to learn more about and to join the course. Let's measure the paper. We are wrapping a shallow box today. The length of the paper should be enough to wrap around the box, plus enough to create a pleated design. The width of the paper is 3 times the depth of the box, plus the width of the box. Turn the paper over and fold the paper 5 times at the size of the pleats you would like to create. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except the first fold. And continue to fold over each of the creases toward yourself to create the pleats. Turn over, place a strip of tape on the back of the design to secure. Wrap the paper around the box, making sure the pleated design is where you would like to position it. Crease well at the edges. Close the end using double-sided tape and make sure the paper is wrapped tightly around the box. Continue to close both sides. Don't forget to flare up the edges of the pleats so they will be more visible. Now let's make a cherry blossom ribbon bow. Measure the size of the loop and tail with one end. Wrap the ribbon around the box in any style you want. Cross the ribbon so you can tighten it. Create a loop with one end. Pinch at the center and bring the other end over the index finger. Hold with your thumb so you can create a center loop. Continue to push it through the center loop to create a second loop on the other side. Tighten the bow to adjust. This is a professional way to make a bow with a double-sided ribbon. Wrap a second ribbon around the center of the first ribbon and tie a knot. Turn the box 90 degrees so you can make the second bow at the cross position. Continue to make the third bow, repeating the same steps. Make sure the loops are not overlapping each other and creating a flower shape. fold the end in half and cut it diagonally with the open end longer than the closed end. Do the same for all the ends. And done! I hope you like it and will be able to use the techniques for upcoming special occasions. You can learn more ideas and techniques through my online courses. Please visit the school site, which is listed in the description for more information. See you next time. Happy wrapping!